almost done. Taste test. Yummy?
Really good.
Honestly?
I like it.
Okay, let's
Tastes
eat.
good.
Yum.
Wow.
Hello guys, it's me Soraya. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, it's going to be a vlog. I actually made some, short video clips throughout the week, and I'm going to put it all together to share it with you. Also, watch out for my stuffed mushroom recipe. Yes, I actually cooked it last night, and so I will include it in this video. All right, without further ado, watch this. I went to the hospital to get my blood work done. I have some health issues right now. Hopefully everything will be okay. And then I'm so hungry. It's already 1:59. So I went to Popeyes to grab some food. And then I have Happy Lemon milk tea with boba and puff, cream puff. So I asked Ian and his boss if they want some, and they said yes. So I got 4, one for me, one for Nico, one for Ian and his boss, and then I'm going to drop it off. And yeah, right here already. That's their clinic. Ian is playing the piano. I'm going to cook dinner. It's actually 6:20 right now, so I'm going to make some rice, and then I'll make stuffed mushrooms, and then I'll also make some vegetables with pork. So tag along with me while I cook. I have rice right here. This is jasmine rice. I'm going to wash it first. Drain it first. right here, this side. That's it. Put it on the stove. Alright, so while the rice is cooking, I'm going to make some stuffed mushrooms. Check the rice. Ooh, it's almost done. I'm gonna lower the so we're going to cook the stuffing, and then I'm going to bake the mushrooms at 350. Oop. Okay, I think the rice is done, so I'm going to turn it off and just open it like that to air it out. I'm going to set this aside and then we'll mix everything for the stuffing. Okay, so I have some breadcrumbs, so I really don't have that, you know, the powdered or granuled breadcrumbs. So I just took one slice of bread and then toasted it for a little bit. And so here's our mushrooms, and then that's the cream cheese and 2 tablespoons of parsley and 1/4 cup of grated, what do you call that, shredded Parmesan. Alright, so I'm going to add some salt and pepper, and then Right, so it's ready. So garnish it with parsley, and then I'm gonna add on top some of these cheese, Parmesan cheese. And then let's bake it for 20 minutes. So I actually have some extra here. What I'll do with it is I'm going to make a sandwich. Mushroom sandwich. Yummy! Ta-da! Right, it's done. Taste test. Yummy?
Really good.
Honestly?
I like it.
Okay.
Tastes good. Wow. Actually, lami po.
Ano ba? Sige. Let me see. My turn. It's good. It's creamy, garlicky. Tastes super good. You want me to make this again?
Yep.
Uh,
Really good. Tomorrow we'll make another one.
Did you like the sandwich?
Sandwich is good too.
Yeah. So we
Yeah.
had the extra
Sandwich
stuffing,
and this
right?
is perfect.
And then I added it. It's like mushroom sandwich. You like it? So I'll have to make more.
Okay.
I hope that you guys enjoyed that video. Now I'm going to make another video. I'll do a wear test and review of Chanel lipstick. Yes, so watch out for that one. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next